Gantt chart helps you to easily plan your projects, modify schedules, and visualize tasks. Clicking on this Add button, you can add task list and task, and based on their start and end date, view them in a timeline format. I have already added few task lists right here. Let's expand one of them. These are the tasks in this task list, and on the right you can see them in a timeline view. Now let's learn about dependency in Gantt. Dependencies represent the relationship between tasks, indicating the sequence in which task needs to be performed. To create dependency, hover your cursor over the taskbar of the task. Each task has a small bubble or circle, usually located at the beginning or end of the taskbar. Now, click and hold this bubble icon of the first task and drag it to the bubble of the second task like this. A blue arrow will appear indicating that the dependency has been created. Once the dependency has been set up, if in case one task is delayed by few days, let's delay this task forward. You can see that it will automatically adjust the dates of all the dependent tasks. You can also apply different constraints to manage how the task dependencies will work, using these conditions right here. Now, to view a task in a task detail window, you can simply click on the task or right-click and select the View Task option. Besides that, you get all these other options to manage your task. On top, you get multiple options to manage the view of a Gantt chart. You can zoom in or zoom out, or you can use different filters based on different assignees and dates. The project managers can also set up a baseline for the project from right here. Let's check Show Baseline first. Now, if I click on Set Baseline and select Yes, a baseline will be set. The gray bar you see here are the baseline, which records the actual or current start and end date of the task. Now, if a task gets postponed or gets delayed, and if you hover over this gray line, you will be able to see the baseline start date and the baseline due date. And if you hover over the task, you will be able to see the current start date and current due date. Now you can compare these dates and you can have an idea how much your task has been deviated from the initial baseline set. Essentially, it serves as a reference to track the task progress and compare the actual progress with the planned schedule. You can also print out your Gantt chart or export it in PDF format. Hope this video was helpful. Do let us know if you have any questions and we will be happy to assist.